Facing its biggest economic crisis in decades, the number of impoverished Nigerians is rising. The free fall of the naira and an alarming surge in the cost of living caused a rise from 89.8 million at the beginning of 2023 to 104 million, according to the World Bank's Nigeria Development Update report. Mental health experts in the country warn that the situation is fueling anger, anxiety, stress and depression at higher levels.
The economic situation of the country, is tearing a lot of people apart. But I can tell you categorically that somebody that is mentally stable will not break down totally. What do I mean? A woman that is being abused from home, the husband is abusing her domestically, the same woman gets on the bus and conductor is harassing her and everything. If you see that kind of woman shout and have an outburst, it is not just because of the conductor. There are a lot of underlying factors. So someone that is angry before, something that happens, there's a trigger.
Due to the myth and stigma associated with it, seeking counseling or a therapist is seen by some in Nigeria as a sign of weakness. But with apps like Friend and Pal, an online psychotherapy platform, conversations around its benefits are growing.
Our platform is anonymous. Also, we have the AI chatbot, mental health companion AI chatbot, right, that you can converse with 24/7, right, share your issues with, and you can also converse with it in multiple African languages. There's the virtual therapy sessions where you can have therapy sessions with our therapist without having to leave your house. You understand? It's just as simple as taking your phone, making payment for a session, and then pick a day and you're free to have your session with the therapist.
While platforms like this improve access to mental health services, experts say there is also a need for interventions on the part of the government.
A lot of people don't realize that the mental health is as important as your physical health. And so this leaves us to poor financing when it comes to mental health care in Nigeria at the moment. So what we're looking at from the government is, aside from the advocacy and also from policies, we're also looking at financing, actually being able to finance these mental health initiatives and platforms like ourselves who are changing lives across Africa, across Nigeria at the moment. Currently in Nigeria, we've been able to impact over 100 boys who are drug addicts in Nigeria with our platform, Friend and Pal.
The World Health Organization, WHO, estimates that around 40 million Nigerians are affected by mental illness. Some of the country's most prevalent mental illnesses include depression and anxiety disorders.